you always know this day's gonna come, right? At this time, I just really don't think that it's possible for me to continue racing at the highest level and at the level that I get paid to race at. And with that, I think it's time for me to retire and call it a day. I've never been led down a bad path thus far, and I have trust in God's plan that whatever's next for me will be just as fun and just as glorious. I'm too blessed to be stressed about it, and I'm grateful for everything that I've experienced and that has come from this career. I'm not sure that I'll ever feel anything close to what I've felt as a racer, but I have an amazing family. I have 2 kids that are starting to grow up and want to do their own things, and I'm happy about my decision because I can go to sleep at night and know that I've given it my all.
The battle is on to the checkers of the title. Osborne to the inside, takes it back, and the title. Amazing, amazing. It has been a train ride for the number 16 out of Abingdon, Virginia. And is your 250 National Motocross Champion, Zach Osborne, the 2020 Pro Motocross 450 Championship.
That's your daddy.